Hey everyone, today I want to show you these door chime that I got. I got one for my window and one for my patio door. These door chimes are great to use if you have an office, if you have a small business, even in a nursing home and in your home also, to alert you when someone is opening the door, which means if they are entering in your business or if someone is leaving. And I got these for peace of mind with my toddlers because my toddlers like to open the patio door all the time, and it'll chime and let me know when that happens. And then this window has no screen on it, so if someone opens it, I will immediately know and be able to take care of that situation as well. These have a wonderful battery life for up to 800 uses, which is great. And it gives you long-lasting peace of mind. You can also use these on a cabinet or a refrigerator as well if those are places that you know someone keeps getting into that you don't want them to get into, or you want to be alerted when those are opened. It has an 800-foot wireless range when you plug in the main block, and it can go anywhere up to 800 feet in your home, which is a great distance and can be used on 2 separate levels, which is also nice. So it also has the option of an LED light that flashes for those that cannot hear, and also you can have a mute option to be able to mute it when your baby is sleeping. It has 55 different sounds on it that you can set to it and 4 different levels of volume, which is great. So if you're looking for something to give you peace of mind, or if you just want something that alerts you when your door opens for your business or your office, this would be a perfect door chime for you. Thank you so much for watching.